Okay, well here's another upgrade to the basic roosting area. Used to have a roost like a lot of people have. The chickens roost, but they get underneath and they're, scratching it around, it's getting all over the place on them and everything else. So then I had the roosting area with a grate in the front so they couldn't get back there. In winter here it rains just about all winter. So what I've done now is I've made these pull-out drop boards. And there's a groove here in the center to get it all out. So what we do is put the bucket right there. It tips down a little, and then the boards are polyurethane, spar polyurethane, and so nothing sticks. Just push that back in. So you can basically do it on a daily basis, so it helps keep any odors down, and especially the flies. And then you can take it out and hose it off. So that's all there is to it. I've got wire here so that they're not walking down in the drop bar. And I don't like the idea of mixing it with sand or anything, kitty litter. It's just easier to dump into the compost that way. So that's just one idea. That way they can still maneuver down underneath and have that floor space, which they would do anyway, they try to do. And of course on top, netting, because they're trying to get up as high as they can. Okay, the other thing I should show you, sometimes you look at somebody's chicken coop and there's, just feces all over the place. And, dirt floors, whatever, but, having had chickens for so many years, keeping disease down, mites down, it's all important because the birds can get very sick, the eggs problems. So this comes up and it'll hook up if you need to get in here and clean. And not only that, it will come out. So I can leave it like this to do cleaning underneath here. The boards come out, the drawers. So everything can be hosed down. It keeps it a little easier to do all of this. So that's the important thing, quick and easy, and the job gets done better. Okay, that should do it.